Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here at Crypto.com, the Defi wallet, looking at VVS. Okay, over the last week we've had a little bit of a devaluation here in the currency, going from up at a high to down to a new low. Okay, so not good, but we have also seen CRO do similar movement. Okay, we were high and then we dipped down to a low and then we're back up to a decent support level. Not quite $1 where I want it to be, but we're getting there. So for VVS, let's go over to the VVS Finance page and you can see where we're at. Like I said before, I have about 700 in, and we are not quite back to where we were. But it's not bad, considering the devaluation that has happened. I might move in a little bit heavier once I get some more clarity on these tokens that are being issued. But in the meantime, you can see I'm making 400%. But I want to go back to the farm. That's where some big news is. Alright, we were making some really good interest. We're down to 230%. I'm going to harvest what I can right now, and that's going to cost a CRO. Okay, well, everything here costs something. It seems to be denominated in CRO. The more a CRO is worth, the more you're going to pay. It's like a gas fee, a transaction fee. Okay, big deal. When you're making 230% interest, not a big deal. Alright, you can see it's in the wallet already. So I'm going to go back to the mine. Now here's the strategy. You make money in the farm, and you stake it back into the mine. Now you can see, it's been a few days since I staked, so my percent on staking fee is 0. So let's stake a little more. I'm going to go 50%. So it's about 50% of what I got. Alright, another $82. Okay, confirm. Let's confirm that. It's going to cost 1.9 CRO. Perfect. That's great. But you can see the ROI here is huge, from $20 to $82 in a year. Where else can you do that? It's virtually impossible. So, while it's not 3,000% like it used to be, it's still good. So, you can see I'm back staked. Let's go back to the dashboard, and we can see we've increased our stake yet again. So, I know it's only not that much money, but hey, I'm doing what I can to help the effort here. Tell me what you guys think of this. It's pretty easy to use. Probably the easiest farming that I found, and the easiest liquidity pools and mine that I found to date. Yeah, pretty much. So Crypto.com has been out there in the news, splashing their name all over the place, trying to be higher ranked. They're already bigger than Coinbase. So pretty surprising when I found that out yesterday. If you guys watched that video, if not, go check it out. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Pretty sure VVS is going to be going up, along with CRO, depending on tokenomics. Just got to keep an eye on that and the burn strategy. Alright, be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.